We've all wondered how long we'll live past 70. Will we still be healthy and active at 80 or 90? Everyone's story is different, but one thing is for sure: we can influence the quality and length of our lives through the decisions we make every day. In this video, we will explore 8 signs that are scientifically proven to predict life expectancy after 70. These signs not only help you identify your health, but also serve as early warnings, helping you improve your health and prolong your life. Watch the video until the end to find out how you can live longer and healthier. 1. Balance. Can you stand on one leg for 10 seconds? It may sound simple, but balance is one of the most important predictors of longevity. Studies show that people who can stand on one leg for longer than 10 seconds tend to have better overall health and live longer. For example, 2 men, Frank and Henry, are both in their 70s. Frank is an active man who walks every day and practices yoga. He can easily stand on one leg without wobbling. Henry, on the other hand, is less attentive to maintaining balance and has difficulty standing on one leg, always holding onto something to keep his balance. This not only reflects muscle weakness, but is also a sign of neurological problems that could affect his future mental clarity. 2. Hand strength. Another extremely important sign is hand strength. Have you ever wondered why a firm handshake can reflect your overall health? In fact, a strong handshake is a sign of strong muscles, good circulation, and a stable nervous system. Conversely, when hands are weak, it can be a sign of muscle loss, osteoporosis, or a risk of chronic disease. For example, Annie and Evelyn are both 78 years old. Annie still exercises lightly and does household chores without difficulty. She can open jars or carry things without difficulty. On the other hand, Evelyn is starting to have trouble with simple tasks like opening jars or carrying bags. Although she thinks it is just a sign of aging, it can actually be a sign of osteoporosis, muscle loss, and a shorter lifespan if not addressed. 3. Walking speed. Your walking speed can reveal a lot about your health. People who can walk fast and maintain a steady pace into their 70s are likely to live longer than those who walk slowly and tire more quickly. Walking speed is closely related to muscle health, cardiovascular health, and nervous system function. Imagine you have 2 friends, Rose and Clara, both 75 years old. Rose walks every day at a steady, vigorous pace. She has no trouble climbing stairs or walking on uneven terrain. Clara, on the other hand, walks very slowly, needs to rest frequently, and gets tired quickly. When comparing them, Rose's walking speed reflects good overall health, while Clara may be dealing with health problems such as muscle weakness, poor circulation, or even signs of neurological decline. For sleep quality, sleep is not only a time for rest, but also a time for the body to recover and repair. People who get good quality sleep tend to live longer, while those who have trouble sleeping well are at higher risk of serious health problems such as memory loss, cardiovascular disease, and weakened immune systems. We have 2 men, Walter and George, both in their 70s. Walter has a regular bedtime routine, sleeps deeply, and wakes up feeling refreshed. Meanwhile, George often wakes up in the middle of the night, tosses and turns, and wakes up feeling tired. Although they may both get the same amount of sleep, George's sleep quality is much lower, and this could lead to more serious health problems in the future. 5. Social relationships. Your social relationships can directly affect your longevity. People with close relationships and strong social connections tend to live longer and healthier lives. Conversely, loneliness and lack of social connection can lead to health problems such as depression, cardiovascular disease, and an increased risk of premature death. Consider Alice and Betty, 2 77-year-old women. Alice has a wide network of friends, joins book clubs, and spends a lot of time with her family. She is cheerful and feels connected to those around her. Meanwhile, Betty spends most of her time alone, with little contact with friends and family. Betty's feelings of loneliness negatively affect her mood and health, causing mental and physical health problems. 6. Brain health. The brain is the body's control center, and brain health directly affects quality of life. People who maintain good cognitive function into their 70s and beyond tend to live longer and healthier lives. Conversely, people who begin to have difficulty with memory, concentration, or cognition may be at risk for brain diseases like Alzheimer's. For example, Oliver and James are both 75 years old. Oliver still reads every day, does puzzles, and learns new skills like playing the piano. He feels mentally sharp and refreshed. James, on the other hand, has stopped engaging in mentally stimulating activities. He spends most of his time watching television and engages in less mentally stimulating activities. As a result, James begins to forget names, misplace things, and has difficulty following conversations. 7. Stress management. Stress is a major factor in long-term health. Chronic stress not only weakens the immune system, but can also lead to serious health conditions such as heart disease and reduced mobility. People who manage stress well tend to stay healthy and live longer. Compare Kate and Amy to 77-year-old women. Kate faces challenges but remains calm. She meditates, exercises, and doesn't let herself get bogged down in negative thoughts. Amy, on the other hand, is prone to stress and anxiety, which gradually deteriorates her health over time. 8. Diet and weight. Diet and weight directly affect health and longevity. A healthy diet, combined with maintaining an ideal weight, can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Conversely, being overweight can put pressure on your organs, leading to many serious health problems. For example, if you eat a lot of processed foods and few fruits and vegetables, you are more likely to be overweight and develop conditions such as high blood pressure and high cholesterol. However, adjusting your diet to reduce processed foods and add more fruits and vegetables to your meals can help improve your health and increase your longevity. If you find this information useful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more useful videos to help you maintain a healthy life. Start making changes today to live a long and healthy life. Finally, remember that your future is not something that is set in stone. It is shaped by the choices and actions you take now. Take care of your physical and mental health to ensure that you live a long and healthy life. Small changes today can make a big difference in the years to come. Think about it. Small steps now can lead to meaningful moments in the future, not only for you, but also for your loved ones around you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. See you in the next videos.